Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now just click on Theme section. Finally, you can scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all the available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. But this time, instead of scrolling down, click on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. You can select it from here, from one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner from one of those sources. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!